Hey there. Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you can get latest video notifications. And this is absolutely free.
Very good morning to all my dear friends who are watching me right now. Dear, today we are going through a very tough situation. This pandemic has engulfed the entire nation, in fact, the entire world. The schools and colleges are closed. The moment you open the newspaper or the TV channel, the first thing which comes is the death count. People are worried. So much of anxiety is there in the minds of the people. Student visas and working visas are getting cancelled. Traveling from one country to the other is restricted. The entire human population is living in fear, anxiety, and stress. But, my dear friends, let me tell you one thing. This is only one side of the coin. And you all are intelligent and mature people. So, what is the first sign of intellectual ability? We look at both sides of the coin and then live our life. Don't you think so? So, what is the other side of the coin? Ecological balance has been re-established. Human values are getting broadened. Just few days back, in our apartment, which is having more than 5,000 families who are staying in that brigade apartment, is a big apartment in Bangalore. One lady at the round about 9:15 in the night needed a tablet, emergency tablet. She just put it in the group, and you won't believe, within 15 minutes the tablet was delivered to him. What that shows? People have started breaking the small boundaries of the family which olden time people used to think. What family we used to think before? Father, mother, brother, sister, husband, wife, that's it. But now the family boundaries have become more. People feel that the entire community is a family, the entire nation is a family. You see, most of the time you'll find in the groups, people are ready to donate money, they are ready to donate cylinders. People are going to every extent, they are going ahead to help each other. Don't you think this is something very positive? So, this is the other side of the coin. Human values have started expanding. One thing I want to convey you, even if you see the percentage of COVID affected patient, as on date, it is roughly less than 2% of the entire population. For example, you see in India around about 140 crores people are staying. Out of that, 2.5 crores got affected in COVID. So it is less than 2%. Not only that, among those 2% who got affected, like around about 2 crores of people, 2.5 crores of people, how many have died? As on today, it is only 30 lakhs. So it is less than again 2%. So 98%, more than 98% have recovered from COVID. So don't you think this is another positive side which you have to look? It's nothing to be terrified, nothing to get panicked. Yes, I do agree. People have died. Several deaths have happened. But if you really see the percentage, it is quite less. Not only that, you see, people die because of cancer, people die because of accidents. There are so many accidents which are happening all over the world, all over the country. We don't keep a count of it. That's why we are not panicked. But the media, today's media, they have, I'm not telling they have done anything wrong or right, because this is not the platform where we are debating the about the performance of any sector, whether it is media or it is bureaucrats or it is corporate world. We are here to see the positive side of our this COVID situation. It definitely has created panic, and we do understand that. All of us should understand that. But there is a difference between becoming aware of it, understanding the importance of keeping ourselves clean, hygienic, and stay away from COVID, and something to do with panic. What I am talking to you right now is the panic situation. Now, I'll tell you one more thing. Before also we have come across this type of pandemic, whether it is the in the 90s, the plague, or in the early 20s, the SARC, or the Ebola virus, or the swine flu. So it is not the first time the pandemic has hit the human civilization. Before also it has hit. And what we have done, we have come out of it. We have fought it and we have come out of it successfully. So this pandemic also, we are definitely going to come out of it. Vaccines are available. Once vaccines are there, you are more or less some sort of, mind has calmed down. Okay, something is there. Always remember one thing: fear comes to us because we feel we are lonely. When you know that the entire country is with us, the entire world is with us, vaccines are sent from US, vaccines are sent from Russia, from different parts of the world, and that too from our own country. There are two vaccines which have been developed by our own country. So where is the point of becoming so much into anxiety? And one more thing I'll tell you, my dear. When we are stressed, when we are anxious, when we are fearful, our immune system goes down almost 40 to 50% down. And we all know that today the most important thing to safeguard ourselves is to keep our immune system strong, to have a proper use, to make use of our lung capacity to the maximum extent. See, because of too much of ambition in our life and planning about future, what we have done, most of us, I'm not telling everyone, but most of us, have neglected our health, have neglected our food taking time. Timings of food are very irregular. We don't do any proper exercise. So what has happened in this process, we have not used our lung capacity. And when we are using the lung capacity to the full maximum extent, 98% of the stress and the anxiety and the fear goes out. I'll tell you, the science has already, there are a lot of papers, lot of international publication where they have proved that 98% of the diseases are psychosomatic, whether it is COVID, whether it is cancer, whether it is asthma, or you name any disease. So indirectly you can see that this COVID has come out as a blessing to us. We have started giving value to our own health. We have started giving value to the family. We are spending more quality time with our family members. Just before the pandemic, you just see, look around in your own life. Your life is the best teacher. You just look at your own life. You will see most of the time you didn't even spend quality time with your kids, with your wife, or with your husband, or with your parents. This lockdown has given us a chance to really spend quality time with our kids. Sit, play carom, sing, write poetry. You can do research in your area of interest, not to publish paper, not to get some certificate or some recognition, not for that, but for your own happiness, but for your own joy. Because when the mind is full of contentment, happiness, you are free from all sorts of diseases. No disease, whether it is COVID-19 or for any damn disease you name, cannot touch you. Why? Because you are happy, you are positive. You are using your lung capacity to the full extent. Even if some virus come inside, you are able to throw it out. Your body, your immune system has become like a solid rock. Nothing can shake it. Don't you think this is how you have to live this life? So there, my dear friends, I can tell you one thing, there is nothing to be scared of. Yes, we have to be careful. Along with carefulness, we need to be more sensitive towards the people, sensitive towards the society. Even if you are very strong, your immune system is very strong, if you are asked to wear a mask, go out, because it will also motivate others to wear the things. Keep a safe distance, and that is, anyway, I told you, that is a boon, because that help us to not to go out of the houses. Sitting in the houses, you have so much of creative things which will come out. And one more thing I'll tell you, my dear friends. You know, in management I've studied, there is a particular quadrant, particular method, basically, you can say, Joe Arivento. In that, the fourth quadrant is called the hidden quadrant. Hidden quadrant means what, you know? There are some qualities in you which are never known to you because you have never explored. Exactly, when you yourself don't know these qualities are there in you, how can someone else know about it? So that is the quadrant where qualities are very positive, which is there already inside you, but neither you know nor others know. This lockdown has provided you a beautiful opportunity to open that fourth quadrant. You yourself will be amazed to know that you have so beautiful qualities which can really illuminate the world, which is full of fear, anxiety, and stress. With these few words, I want to finish today's talk. Some other time we'll have a nice more discussion about it. Thank you, dear.